Sio tutigata se chigosori ni gobono omuchaki aboigo homotendri bu academy ye chigosori chomupira bwa magura sabana bake yumanyikane buna Tesh Football Academy iyo gokora marigani ya maigerio asegeti ye chigosori ye skuru ya Kisii School ni ganyare ko baka gwesokya na konyara ko baka gokwandra obyo bororo bokoneka chinga kechiga anemono abana babago kina kubwatkana na korengana boigo no murobiro muya bwa masomo CBC bogo chakwane kya banango kina bale talanta chabo chagenkyo Ronald Latemo ni gobono kwanire obyo bororo bokuchya saba ibori kwaneke bunango ikibara abana babo asi academy yo eri bachikonyora amaigeri aiga yo komanya talanta cyabo chinga kechiga cyamapema heri na baroba chikwegenderia ase amatuko arebosyo muri kito Maureen Siango na roboti rwa sinchira yo bikirano
Captain Blue kuja
achana na hiyo
Ritkoria rero ase kiunga chigosori ni gotomerana na bana barasi Football Academy iyo manyikana tebuna Tesh Football Academy Orangano manyane gusomo chakibu academy yigo yumanyikana tebuna Ronald Aratemo ni gateba ni go bachageti academy yiga senchera yo gusira chitalanta cyabana bakasi chigosori abana bayiganigo bagwakera chinko cyabasegeti ye skuru yaba muraya Kisii School nani gabo igora temate abuna na bwatekerengere lyo kwarigania friendly match ne chi academy chinde eya nemono kwene kiabuna abana bayigan commenta bale obwegenu baba sense mayiga yichigosori.
Our main aim of Tesh Football Academy is to bring the young generation together, the young talents, the young boys and girls who are talented, and again it's a way to keep our community healthy, because now we have seen that as we started on the 16th of December last year, it's now barely 3 weeks. We have had 34 young children. Then we have also had 17 who are above 16 to 17. So the progress is very good, and we really thank the parents for the great support they are giving us. Ours is that we are not only supporting the talents, that's football, but we're also mentoring them to be the great individuals in the new future. And we're also mentoring them to be also the young coaches, the young players who can coach them.